Welcome to the Skilled MBA case study series in General Management. In this series, we will explore real-life business scenarios and strategic decisions that companies face today. Each case study will provide insights into effective management techniques and innovative strategies that can help organizations thrive in a competitive market. Drools, a subsidiary of IB Group, positions itself in the value segment of India's pet food market, focusing on affordability and nutrition. Their push-driven distribution strategy targets veterinarians, breeders, pet shops, and retail outlets. However, they face challenges due to the prevalent preference for home-cooked pet meals, impacting packaged food adoption. India's pet ownership is rapidly increasing, presenting significant market expansion opportunities. However, cultural preferences for home-cooked pet meals pose challenges. Influencers like veterinarians and breeders are pivotal in shifting perceptions, introducing packaged food options to pet owners, and overcoming these barriers. IB Group's current push strategy emphasizes enhancing distribution networks and offering trade incentives. In 2023, they plan significant production capacity expansion. A potential pull strategy could involve investing in brand building via mass media marketing to foster consumer awareness and demand. Push strategies emphasize distributor incentives and securing shelf presence, ensuring products are readily available. Balancing this with pull strategies involves creating consumer awareness and emotional connections to drive demand. Effective market development educates consumers and incentivizes trials, aiming to change purchasing behavior and foster brand loyalty. Highlight premium quality by showcasing nutritional excellence at competitive prices. Utilize endorsements from veterinarians and breeders to build trust. Position the brand as a balanced home-cooked alternative, merging traditional feeding methods with modern nutritional science to appeal to discerning pet owners. Veterinarian partnerships can enhance brand credibility by developing co-branded educational materials and offering referral incentives. Breeder collaborations involve testimonial campaigns and starter kits for new adoptions. Professional endorsements, featuring expert opinions and scientific backing, build trust with pet owners, strengthening brand positioning. Resource allocation is crucial under budget constraints, demanding strategic marketing investments. Balancing distribution expansion with brand building is essential. Return on investment modeling helps estimate returns on spending allocations, ensuring effective use of resources. Developing key performance indicators is vital to measure strategy effectiveness, guiding informed decisions, and optimizing outcomes. Exploring strategic alternatives, an enhanced push strategy secures shelf space, but involves high trade spend. A targeted pull campaign builds awareness, but risks low return on investment. Veterinarian-led workshops leverage credibility, but have limited reach. Digital sampling offers direct trials and data tracking, but needs e-commerce infrastructure. Develop a hybrid loyalty program by integrating consumer and professional channels. Implement tiered rewards for repeat purchases. Collect data on pet owner preferences to track channel effectiveness and build a remarketing database. Focus on fostering long-term brand loyalty, creating a community among pet owners, and strengthening relationships with veterinarians and breeders. Highlight the superior nutritional benefits of packaged pet food over home-cooked meals, addressing common misconceptions. Collaborate with veterinarians for workshops on feeding practices and nutrition basics. Develop engaging social media content and easy-to-understand guides to educate new pet owners on optimal pet nutrition. Focus initial efforts on key urban centers with high pet ownership and disposable income. Target young urban professionals and dual-income families who are more open to packaged pet food. Implement sampling programs through veterinarians and offer starter kits for new pet adoptions. Gradually extend strategies to Tier 2 cities, adapting messaging based on initial market learnings. Digital marketing channels present cost-effective opportunities for brand awareness and direct consumer engagement. E-commerce integration offers valuable consumer insights, while social platforms foster community building among pet owners. These strategies enhance targeting precision, crucial for reaching pet owners effectively. To measure success, track the adoption rate of packaged pet food and monitor conversion from home-cooked to commercial options. Assess brand recall by comparing Drools awareness with competitors. Count monthly veterinarian endorsements and referral program participation. Monitor customer retention, repurchase frequency, and analyze loyalty program engagement metrics. Drools should balance push and pull strategies to enhance growth. Focus 60% on distribution networks and professional channels for product availability. Allocate 40% to consumer-focused marketing in urban areas to boost brand awareness. Key initiatives include a vet partnership program, digital sampling, and targeted education campaigns to drive product adoption.